US, UK and Germany indices traded with extreme swings and traded mixed as well. What to expect today from these five major indices, the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, the Germany40 and FTSE 100? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next one will be released before the US. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Friends, your every like, share and comment is a great motivation for me to deliver to the best of my abilities. Let's first we look into US indices, S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, followed with Germany and in the end FTSE 100. If you look at the S&P here, see after this decline it has retraced and then it has taken a sharp drop. Now I have mentioned yesterday 5980 and 6000 levels are going to remain good support levels. It has taken the support from 5980 and now notice below 5980 there is another down move awaited which can take the prices all the way towards 5950. 5960 levels. Now notice the formation. It has waited for the 20 period to come down, retrace, again move towards the 20 period, retrace, and now again trying to take a little rise here. Now see the moving averages are coming down slowly. Now the supports earlier are going to remain the resistances for the day, and thus as long as now 6020, 6040 levels are not taken, we should not be treating S&P as bullish. These are going to remain the levels beyond which you can confirm that the prices are reversed. Look at the early charts also, see diminishing bullishness showing a reversal, trying to reverse. I will wait for it to now trade below 5990 levels and expect it to break below 5980, below which you can expect more bearishness. Stochastic overbought, MACD hitting the lows, have crossed over. This is a slightly bullish sign here. The RSI is running flat. On the 2-hour charts, similar observation. Only thing here is the support it is taking. See, 2 attempts have been made by S&P to break below 5980, finding it difficult to stay below 5980. We can expect it to take a little retracement all the way towards 6020, 6040 zone. But notice this is going to be the level beyond which you can say now it is turning bullish. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD bearish trying to converge, not yet crossed over here. The RSI is almost at bottom. Coming to 3-hour, similar observation here on the 3-hour charts, closing at the bottom, taking the support from 59, trying to bounce back. If you see it is staying now above 6004, you can initiate a buying entry and expect it to move towards 6020, 6032, 6040 levels. Possibility is there. The indicators have cooled down significantly, and this increases the chances and the probability of a little retracement before it takes the direction with the US. Yes, I will not yet confirm S&P as bullish for the day, for the week, as long as now 60 6080 zone is not taken far beyond levels. See now moving average is crossing over here on the 4-hour charts, trading with divergence, trading bearish. What best it may try to do is stay in the where the highs could be at around 6040 levels at best. And from those levels again a reversal cannot be denied. Yes, the indicators are still trading bearish, looking downwards. Coming to daily charts, if you look at the what has happened yesterday, see first of all the Friday session was a big bearish candle we have observed. Yesterday it has started with a retracement and closed in a red, closed at the bottom. Now today 5980 is one critical milestone which it needs to break, because below this there is huge move which is awaited 596050 levels, the first target zone, and in fact below that 5900 could be seen. Remember, this could be the first candle for the week and the next candle could be extremely big. However, when you see these two candles in succession, you can say diminishing bearishness here. See, this candle was extremely bearish, this is diminishing bearishness, and thus a retracement followed with a drop cannot be denied. If you look at the stochastic, this is oversold. The MACD trading bearish. Yesterday I have mentioned, see, it has crossed over here and it is trading with divergence, suggests more bearishness ahead. RSI has dropped as well. So looking at this, very simple, buy at 6004, expect 6012, 6020, and if 6020 is taken, you can expect it to move towards 6032, 6042 levels, beyond which 6050 should appear. Any move beyond 6050 is a clear sign of reversal where the prices may head towards 6065, 6080 levels, chances for which appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 5992 levels, expect 5984, 5980. If 5984, 5980 zone is taken, stay short for 5960, 5950, and then all the way towards 5920, 5900 levels. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. The charts are almost same for what we had seen in S&P. Tech 100 also after the dip, retracement towards 20 period, after the dip little retracement, then a dip, and now it is consolidating here. Yes, if you see it is staying beyond 21,400, we can initiate a buying entry there. About 21,400, possibility is there that we may see 21,450, 460 and 21,490 levels here. The next target zone, yes, it could replicate this. We are hitting the 20 period, again take a direction and see, notice it is trying to create a channel which is bearish like this, where the highs could be at around 21,500 and the lows to be at around 21,200 levels. Stochastic at top, MACD trying to cross over for a buy. Good sign here for little retracement. RSI just coming out of the oversold zone. When you look at 2 hours, the observation on the 2 hour charts is almost same. On the upside 21,400, on the downside 21,300. The zone here is to be breached any which ways. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD has hit the bottom as well, and the RSI is also trading at bottom. Calls for it to retrace a little. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. I will wait for the next candle, and any move beyond 21,400 is the only sign of reversal or retracement confirmation, because beyond 21,400 is where you can confirm for the rise all the way. In fact, it can try to move towards 21,500, 600 zone. The crossover here in the moving averages definitely is a strongly bearish sign. The crossover coming after a long time. Also notice I've shared this earlier that see, this is how it has been trading: higher lows, higher highs. Possibility of a move towards 21,000 should be seen very, very soon. Yes, the indicators are trading extremely oversold here on the 3 hour charts. On the 4 hour charts, the observation is more or less same. Only thing here is see the increasing bearishness, and here the bearishness has got diminished. Though the formation is same, it is creating a step and then taking a dip. I will wait for it to trade below 21,300 in order to confirm further down move, because below the 21,300 we can expect the next landing all the way towards 21,200 and in fact 21,000 levels. Things are getting oversold here, and thus this calls for a little recovery. Coming to the day, on the daily charts, yes, the prices have closed at the bottom. Very, very important for it to break below 21,300. This is this very good support zone here, because below this we are looking forward to an extreme correction. Right now I can say too early to conclude with that. A little retracement followed with a drop is what you can expect, and thus as long as 21,300 is not taken, we have to be careful with the sells here. Yes, things are getting oversold, but look at MACD trading with divergence, looking downwards, extremely bearish here. The RSI is also dropping here. So considering this, you can buy 21,400, expect 21,440, 460 at the first target zone, 21,490, 510 at the second, and if these two are taken, possibility is high that we may see prices moving close to 20,600 zone. Chances for breaking beyond which appears to be less. While on the downside, a selling entry at 21,300 can be taken, expect 21,200, 200, and then below 21,200 we are looking forward to an extreme move all the way towards 21,120, 21,000 levels. Below this you can expect a greater correction. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. And before we proceed to Dow Jones, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts. 20 period, definitely a good resistance. This is the third attempt by US30 to break beyond, and thus it is very, very important for now for US30 to trade beyond 43,600. Now till 43,800, yesterday also I have mentioned, it has got greater resistances. As long as 43,800, 820 is not taken, we should be careful with the buys here. Now see, on the downside a double bottom is formed and a consolidation is happening. Now on the downside, 43,400 and 350 is what it needs to break in order to confirm a further correction. Stochastic near to top, MACD retracing, RSI comfortable. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation. Notice one more point here: the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement. Bullishness getting diminished, and yes, the bearishness is also getting diminished. We have to wait for it to deliver a breakout. This is consolidation which is going on as of now. In fact, you can take a sell at 43,450 levels, but then 43,400, 350 is the zone it needs to break. The stochastic trading comfortable. MACD has crossed over for a buy, trading with little bullishness. RSI is flat. On the 3 hour chart, the observation is more or less same. We have to wait. We have to wait for it to trade below 43,450, 400, 350 zone. These levels are very, very crucial, because once it trades below 43,350, I'll expect it to move towards 43,200, 43,000, and in fact lower levels. Indicators are trading comfortable, but look at MACD. After hitting the bottom, it has just crossed over, trying to trade with little retracement and a reversal here. RSI has just come out of the oversold zone. Look at the 4 hour charts, consolidation going on. Similar observation: a possibility of a move towards 20 period moving average exists, but it may consolidate and wait for the moving average to come down all the way towards 43,600, 700, achieve that and then reverse. Indicators are still trading bearish and are almost at the lows here. Coming to on the daily charts, notice yesterday's was a swing candle almost. It has formed a double bottom. It is very, very crucial for US 13 for now to break beyond this. As what is happening, see, one green, one swing, and the second one could be equally green, where the prices may retrace all the way towards 43 700 800 zone. Once it breaks beyond 43 600 650, you can expect the bulls to take over. Expect 43 750 800 levels. Stochastic oversold, while the MACD trading bearish and RSI flat. So looking at this, what I'll recommend, a buying entry at 43 560, expect 43 600 650 710, and then 760 800. Beyond it, so 43 800 is where the bulls are waiting all the way towards 44,000 levels. Appears less probable, but yes, not impossible. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 43 460 levels, expected to move towards 43 420 400 at the first target zone, 43 350 360 at the second, and if that is taken, stay short for 43 200, and below 43 200 we will look forward to 43,000 levels at the next targets. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Germany. If you look at the movement in DAX, you can find out, see, almost double top and lower lows are seen. So this could be an expanding triangle here. Very, very important for. And when you look at largely here, you will find that these are slightly lower lows here. So I can see it is going to be difficult now for the DAX to trade beyond 22 600. Also notice on the downside, the support levels at 22 300 240 are pretty. And thus, as long as it stays above this, we have to be very, very careful with this. Now notice the near term charts, retracement, reversal, first candle. I will wait for the next candle here, and if you see it is staying below 22 350, expect 22 300 280, and then 240 200. Stochastic at top, MACD is trying to cross over for sell, RSI flat. On the 2-hour charts also similar observation here. Notice this is how it has been trading. This is a largely bearish channel here, and thus on the downside till 22,000 is possible if it trades below now 22 200 levels. MACD stochastic almost running flat without any direction here. On the 3-hour charts also similar observation. Notice the support it is taking here. This is very, very crucial. It has to now trade below the zone 22 300 280. As in how it breaks these support levels, the bearishness is gonna increase here. The indicators are trading at a comfortable levels. It can take any direction here. On the 4-hour charts, look at the moving averages crossing over, convergent here, not yet crossed over. Wait for a break beyond 22 400, which will confirm a reversal. Else it is right now trading with the resistance from the 2050 period moving average, and a breakout either on the upside or on downside gonna bring a stronger move here. The stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, notice what has happened. Prices were trading with divergence from the 20 period. Prices have come down, converged all the way towards 20 period, taking the support, trying to bounce back. 22 600 anyways is going to act as a greater resistance here. What's happening? It has formed the base at 22 200, trying to bounce back from here. And now once you see it is staying above 22 400, you can initiate a buying entry for 22 440 450 520, and then in fact 22 600. Chances are less that it is going to break beyond 22 600, but yes, if it can drop sharp, it can rise sharp as well. Stochastic rising, look at the MACD crossing over here at the top. And this is a bearish sign. And remember, this crossover is appearing after a long time here, which calls for it to start reversing. RSI has dropped. Now, also notice today, if you see it is staying below 22 200, you can say now we are ready for a round of drop. Then we can wait for 22 140 100, and then below that 22,000 is a must. In fact, 21 900 is a must. So take your positions accordingly. Buy at 22 400, sell at 22. In fact, you can sell at 22 340, but then 300 240 200. Below 22 200 is the only point you can confirm now the bears are taking over. 22 100 2100. In fact, 22,000 should be there. Trade accordingly. Let's move to FTSE 100 on the hourly charts, breaking towards the support zone at 8620. We can see it now trying to bounce back, and yes, 8660 8680 is the zone it needs to break, and in fact 8690 8700 till 8720, I will say FTSE 100 has got greater resistance. It is consolidating in a zone. Look at the movement for the last few candles. See, it is trading here in the box here, and thus very important for it to come out of this box in order to confirm a direction here. Stochastic here is overbought, while the MACD and RSI both are showing a rise here. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation. Notice it has formed a very good support here now. Look at these levels here, 8635, and thus as long as now 8635 8600 zone is not taken, do not treat this as bearish. Also, what it has done, prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has converged. It is a greater resistance zone as well. Stochastic rising, MACD is rising, the RSI is flat. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, 20 period offering a greater resistance, and then the 50 and 100 period should come into picture. So yes, if you see it is staying beyond 8665, you can buy, but then 8674, 8685, 86 or 92 and 8700 greater resistances are available on the upside till 8700, and then 8720 is the strongest one. Indicators are trying to retrace, prices are just consolidating, moving average is crossing over here, not a good sign. And this also confirmed at least till 8700, 8720. Do not treat this as bullish. But the next question is whether it can move towards this. Possibility is there that it can try to retrace, but not complete reverse. On the day, similar observation on the daily chart. See symmetrical formation trying to rise here. One, if you look at the movement here, you will find one red, one green, one red, and it is trying to reverse. The support levels are pretty intact. Very important for it to trade below 8630, 8610 zone, below which you can expect the correction to follow, and then it will turn extremely bearish where the prices can take all the way towards 8550. Wait for it to take a direction on the upside. 8700, 8720 should be the zone which it should break. Stochastic rising from oversold, while the MACD is trading sharply bearish, crossing over from the top. RSI has dropped. So looking at this, what I'll recommend a buying entry only at 8665 levels. Expect 8674, 8682, 84, and then 8700. If 8700 is taken, stay bullish for 8720, and beyond 8720, the sky is the limit on the upside. I do not expect it to deliver such a strong momentum though, but yes, a little retracement can be expected here. While on the downside, selling at 8630 can be taken. Beyond this, 8610, 8615 level should be there, and if that is taken, stay short for 8600, 8580, and then 8550 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.